This is your captain speaking, and welcome to Honolulu, Hawaii. Aloha, you know. So this is the arrival area of Honolulu Airport. So that's Daniel, no? I forgot the surname, kinda local surname. So as you can see, it's just not so much modern, simply because it's been established way back decades already. But still, an airport, you know. I guess for tourists, it's better to arrive in Honolulu maybe in the daylight, no, morning or afternoon, because of course it's really an island, so chances are there's not so much 24 hours transportation available, you know. So guys, we're 4 adults and we're about have 6 big check-in luggage and 4 small hand carry. So I think we can fit in one taxidero. This is the preview, and let's see the trunk. See, so if we're coming to Hawaii or Honolulu, you can use this taxi ride. Good for 4 people, for adults, with 6 big luggages and 4 small hand carries. So, welcome to Hawaii 5-0. Pagoda. Nakakapagod ng biyahe, guys. It's Sienna pala to, Sienna. Inside here, Toyota Sienna, no? So actually there's still room for more additional luggages. So get 6 luggages. Naka-captain seat pa, diba? You know. What's your name?
Nathan
Road. Like Hong Kong, huh?
I cannot see them.
So our taxi driver is Nathan from Vietnam. And how did you arrive here?
Oh, 4 people.
During the war?
No, after the war. The war happened. How many people go on the ball?
There's birds. Oh no, it's
Pigeons.
pigeons.